Hi everyone, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn about the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions or events that begin in the past and continue into the present, emphasizing the duration of the activity. There are three forms of present perfect continuous. The first one is positive or affirmative, and an example is they have been waiting for the bus since 3 p.m. And the second one is negative, and an example is they have not been waiting for the bus since 3 p.m. The third one is interrogative, and the example is have they been waiting for the bus since 3 p.m.? How do we form the present perfect continuous tense affirmative? Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb and ing form. And an example is she has been running every morning. Conjugating the present perfect continuous affirmative. And some examples are you have been waiting for a long time. I have been waiting for a long time. He or she has been waiting for a long time. We have been waiting for a long time. They have been waiting for a long time. How do we form present perfect continuous tense negative? Subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb and ing form. And an example is she has not been running every morning. Conjugating the present perfect continuous negative. And some examples are you have not been waiting for a long time. I have not been waiting for a long time. He or she has not been waiting for a long time. We have not been waiting for a long time. They have not been waiting for a long time. How do we form present perfect continuous interrogative? Has or have plus subject plus been plus ing form. An example is has she been running every morning? Conjugating the present perfect continuous interrogative. Some examples are have you been waiting for a long time? Have I been waiting for a long time? Has he or she been waiting for a long time? Have we been waiting for a long time? Have they been waiting for a long time? Please like this video, and if you do have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.